Maintenance. It's always been seen as a cost, a burden, its budgets. But AI is turning maintenance into something else, a profit center, a competitive advantage, a revolution. Think about it. Reactive, fix it when it breaks. Preventive, fix it on a schedule. Predictive, fix it when the data says you should. Prescriptive, AI tells you exactly what to do and when. That's the journey. In the future, assets won't just tell you when they are sick. They will tell you how to treat them. And operations will stop bleeding cash on preventable failures. From now onwards, organizations that still run on reactive maintenance won't survive. The winners will be the ones who treat assets not as cost to manage, but as intelligent systems to optimize.